Finally, our secret is out, and I'm so excited to share it with you here today. A lot of you know me as a local artist from Lloydminster. I was born and raised and chose to live here and raise my beautiful family with my partner. A few years ago, I set my mind to something big. I mean, actually physically big. I mean, that building downtown in Lloydminster in our community, the Prairie North Plaza. The idea originally came out of my love for painting murals and helping make our community a more beautiful place. Sounds great, right? But no, it was meant to be more. So much more than that. It is more, and with the help of some really amazing women in my community, they taught me that it can be more. And they are why this project came into fruition. And they sit on a committee with me, moving forward and making this all happen. Because when we work together, we can accomplish whatever it is we set our minds to. We are women filled with love and compassion and empathy. And that is power. That is a beautiful power. That is a power that can heal our world. I am a guest on this earth, riding on a ticket that will expire. So I ask myself, and I ask you, what will you do with this small gift of time that you have? How can you love more, care more, and inspire others to do the same? How do you have purpose behind an action? What can you use with this gift of time? And this was the journey and path for this project I am announcing to you here today. And on June 30th of 2023, we will be installing this 2,600 square foot mural with a beautiful team. We will be running a mentorship program for 2 Indigenous creatives interested in installing the mural with myself and my partner, Randy Noble, photographer and founder of Yellowfinch Images. They will receive an honorarium for their participation towards professional development. I will be donating part of my artist fee back into our community for creative trauma programming and Indigenous learning in schools. In partnership with the Heart of Treaty 6 Truth and Reconciliation Committee, Randy Hofer Studios, and Lloydminster Region Health Foundation, and Randy Noble, founder of Yellowfinch Images, we are here to announce the Choose Love and Join Hands Truth and Reconciliation Mural Project. Randy said to me the other day on the phone, she said, "Brandy, I'm doing this for my mom." Me too. As many of you know, in 2014, I lost my mother to cancer. I miss her every day, but she lives on through me. She lives on through the way I put my babies to bed at night and swipe their hair to the side and sing them a lullaby the way she put myself and my siblings to bed. She lives on as your grandmother and mother lived through you. And these generations of women who came before us, our mothers live on through us. My mother dedicated her life to working with people of developmental disabilities. She was an example of compassion and love, and she lived it every single day. She was a leader to myself and to others. My mother's legacy lives on through me. I want to share something about the card shark wine-loving jokester. She was always insisting on taking me through these drives, these long drives, and mostly fishing to the North Saskatchewan River and the Beaver River where her ashes lay. And she never said much, but when she did, it always had meaning. She was a storyteller, you see. And when she was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer, she knew she didn't have a lot of time. And on this particular summer August day, she shared with me a story about the people in our family who had lost their children. She described it as an unbearable pain. A pain that she had played witness to. And she was happy. She was happy she was going before me, so she would not have to experience that same pain in her life. Now and for a very long time in our country and around the world, a people are and have been in pain. So I ask myself, how can I be an ally? How can you be an ally? So I ask you to join hands with us and choose love, moving forward, unified, and part of something bigger than you and I. The only way I know how to help is through my creative gift. Gertrude Stein says this: the subject matter of art is life, life as it actually is, but the function of art is to make life better. The north side of the Prairie North building had great meaning and significance when we presented this project to the Heart of Treaty 6 Truth and Reconciliation Committee in the spring of last year. Treaty Representative Clint Chokin shared a story about the invisible line north in our community where the Indigenous people had to stop, set up camp, come into town, and get their goods and leave back to camp. The intense meaning behind breaking that invisible line is hard to express to you here in words today. This project is more. It is more than we can see, it is more than I can say, and it will mean more for generations to come. At the final ceremony, we will all place our hands on the wall and trace a line around them as a symbolic gesture of choosing love, unified as a community. We need your help. I don't always know what I'm doing, and I sure don't know everything. I'm always learning, and I'm the first to admit that. But this is something so much bigger than you and I. This project will make a huge impact on our children and our children's children and generations to come. We can help make our world and their community a place to be proud of. This marks the beginning of people coming together to understand and accept one another with compassion and love. We are building bridges in our community, but we cannot do it without your support and you here today. Thank you so much for your time. I sure do appreciate it.